Um, Hello everybody. Uh, this tutorial I will be showing how you can create a GCP placement map for your drone mission flight. So I like to start with what exactly is a GCP mission placement map. So basically, we create this GCP map so we can know where to place our automatic grand common point. In this case, what we use is the arrow point. So we use arrow point, and then it's very much important to place this strategically so we can do some sort of positional correctness and also improve the accuracy of the auto photos we generate from different flight. So I would like to start with how you can create a feature class. So in ArcGIS, we have different type of feature class. So if you click on edit, okay, so you can create all different form of feature class. All right. So, but I like to start with the very beginning on how you can create it. It could be just a line, it could be a polyline, it could be a point, it could also be a polygon. So that is exactly what we're gonna do now. So the first thing is to go to geoprocessing, to go to catalog. I mean, you click on your database, you have your database. So imagine at first you do not have any of this. So the first thing you're going to do is to right click on your database and then you click on new. So you're going to have feature data set feature class. So you want to do is click on feature class. So when you click on feature class, you can give it a name. You can say it's a line. Okay, let's say we want to create a line feature class. You don't have to necessarily put anything for alias. Most times it's just going to take the same name as what you have for the name space. And this is very important because it's a line, so you want to put a line. Also, best know that a line is just not a line. It can also be continuous. In that sense, it can also be a polyline. You can go through all these things, but oftentimes you don't necessarily have to change anything. But say, for example, you want to add a label to your line, you can click on it and also add it. But at this point, we do not need it. So you just click on next, you click on next, you just use the same coordinate point, you click on next, you click on next, and then you can just click on finish. Okay. So right now, what is going on is the creation of the feature class, which is the line feature. We are going to use this line to help us in placing our GCP. So this is the way I like to place my GCP. I like to use some sort of construction support line. Now, we have our line created. If we wanted to create a point feature class, we would go through the same process and then we can say create feature class. We can say point and then we're going to change this to point and then we click on finish. But I'm not going to do that now because I want to make it like more procedural starting from the very beginning. Cancel. So this is the end of this.